In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a header and a footer for your WordPress website with Elementor. So this is very easy to do, and I'm going to show you step by step how to do that. So first, go to the dashboard. So let's go to the dashboard of our website right now. I'm going to do that. Yeah, there we go. And what you first have to do, you have to go to plugins and you have to install Envato elements. So just go to add new and install Envato elements, just like this. There we go. Install it. As you can see, I already installed it. And what you then want to do, you want to search for a different one that's called Elementor. Just type in header, Elementor header, and then this comes up, Elementor header footer and blocks template. So just install it and then activate it when it's done. There we go. And now what you want to do, you want to go to appearance, and as you can see, this section popped up, header, footer, and blocks. Just hit it, and as you can see, I already made one, but I'm going to put it to trash to start from scratch. So up here, you want to hit add new, and then select what you want to add. So I'm going to select header, and just type in header, and then select the option. It's a header display on entire website, and user roles all. And there we go. That's what you want to do. Then publish it like this. I'm sorry. And now you can go back again. Just go back. Now go to appearance again. Header, footer, and blocks, and then add a new one. And now we're going to add the footer. So just call it footer again. And now select footer, entire website, all, and publish. So what you now can do is go back to the same page where we were, and then hit view. And now it's going to load. And what you now want to do, you want to hit edit, and then hit edit with Elementor. There we go. And now you want to hit the green button. So this is the button of Envato elements. So when they hit it, then go to free blocks and now search for footer. So it's over here next to the header. And now select the footer you like. So I'm going to do the first one because the first one looks very good and clean. And now it's going to import. And there we go. This is how it looks. So for now, it's at the top of your website. But when you view it on your normal site, it will be down where you want it. So just change it however you like. I'm just going to show you how to import it, but just change the name, change all this information, and then hit update. So now you also want to do this with the header. So let's go back to the dashboard of WordPress, dashboard, and then go to appearance and header, footer, and blocks, and now do it with the header. So hit header, edit with Elementor, and there we go. Go to Envato, free blocks, header, and then select the header you want. So I'm going to do this one just for an example. Just enter in everything you like, change the button, change the logo, and then hit update. And now when we go to our website and hit refresh, as you can see, the header is here, and when we scroll all the way down, the footer is here as well. So this is how you can create an Elementor header and footer for your WordPress website and customize it easily. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.